YouTube? It's Tom from Tech Time, and today I have a video on some studio lights. This comes from a company, Litebox, L-I-T-E, Box Photography. You can check them out on Instagram with the same name. They produce high quality studio lighting. So today I have the extra large 32 by 32 softbox to show you. This is it right here, fully set up. Show you how it looks from the side. With the Litebox branding right there, you have your diffuser with a yellow trim to match the yellow design. So they are nice looking. They're on a very nice stand. It extends from 30 inches all the way up to 6 feet. So it gives you any type of height that you need. Plus you can angle it up and down. Very easy. Everything is a twist screw to tighten everything down. Makes it super easy. Has a really long cord, which is nice because a lot of these studio lights don't come with large cords. So this one comes with a really long one. Turn it on, kicks in right there. See how bright that is? These come with 5500K, which is daylight. That is the color temperature that you're going to get. And they also are 95 plus Cree. Cree is the color rendering index, so anything normally above 90 is high quality lighting, so that's definitely what you're going to want to look for. It's going to represent white the best you can get, and at 5500K that's going to be daylight, so that should represent, similar to what the daylight outside would look like. So it's going to give you, a more flattering color. It's kind of neutral. It's not too cool, not too warm. So it's definitely a nice thing, and you see a lot of the studio lighting is that. It comes in the kit like this. This one's already set up. This is the bag that they give you, carrying bag. It's got the Litebox branding on it. We'll unzip this, and it's got a nice quality zipper. So let's get this unzipped real quick. Inside, this is what you get. So you get your 2 light bulbs. Show you the bulb right here. Litebox Photography. And then I'll pop that open, show you what it looks like. Nice bulb. And they were kind enough to send this out to me. And I want to give it to them, give a review. I have another studio light set that I use that my girlfriend actually got me for Christmas. And these are definitely bigger. I think they produce a little bit better color. They're 105 watt, 5500K right there. You can see that. Oh, we're in the shadow. But they're nice bulbs. So put that back in the thing for now. It's nice as you get this carrying bag, so afterwards you can, break it down and carry it anywhere you want. I'll show you how quick and easy it is to set up. So you pull this out of the box. This is your light stand. Pull that out of the box like so. And that's your light stand. And then you're just going to take the thing right here, you open the legs, and as you open the legs, this extends, and then this piece slides down, which you can also loosen it to make it easier, and then tighten it to give you that sturdy base that you need. You can make it as wide as you need on the bottom, and then it extends up. So we'll get the other cover. And they also come in their own bags, nice and easy. Is your diffuser. So everything in breakdown goes into its own separate bag, and you're good to go. So this is your softbox setup right here. And again, you have the Litebox branding on it. Let's see if we can find it. There it is. Litebox. It says like that. Let me see if I can adjust this light over here so we get some better lighting. I don't know why. There we go. Litebox. See that? So to get that set up, it's kind of hard to show on camera because this thing's so big. But inside there, you're going to push that in as you're pulling this tab right here. See if we can get that. There's a little push button right here, so you're going to push that and pull at the same time. It's a little tricky to do it on camera. Let me get it right there. So you push that and pull. Oh, sorry, I got this thing Gotta twist this. You gotta make sure that this is all the way down, because if not, you're not gonna get this out. So there you go. Push it, and there it is, fully extended. Like I said, you're not gonna wanna make that same mistake that I just did. This is the piece that connects you right here to your light stand. If this is all the way up, you're gonna have to loosen it up and bring it down here so this is able to pull out. Show you again how easy. There's a little push button right here. You push, and there you go, and it will lock into place. This locks into its little tab, and there you are, good to go. So we'll set this up in the light stand real quick. This is that easy. Bring this down into this. There's a little screw right here. Once you get it into where you need to, you tighten this wing nut down, and there you go. There's another one on this side that allows you to do whatever you want. Let's get this extended a little bit. Easy. Everything is quick and easy. So now you got that set up. You're going to want to take your bulb that you got right there, and that screws in like so. So I have to turn this real quick. Plug that in, screw it in. All screwed in. Nice. You can see that. Then you take your diffuser. And you're just going to put that over it. You can use it with or without a diffuser. It doesn't really matter. It does soften up the light a little bit. And it just folds over the corners, line up with the corners. And then there's Velcro on the side to hold it in place. Get the bottom one on. Step in front of the camera quick. Spin this. And there you go. You got a fully set up light. No issues at all. You can plug that in and you're ready to go. It gives off a great amount of light, and right now it's going for $150 on Amazon. Comes with, like I said, the 2 soft boxes. You're going to get the 2 bulbs, 5500K, 95 plus Cree, which is really top quality lights. Amazon Prime, 2-day shipping. If you guys don't have Prime, go check out my link in the description. You get a free 30-day trial for Amazon Prime. But definitely go check out this company, Litebox, Litbox Photography, on their Instagram, and they're doing some really cool things. If you're a product photographer or reviewer or anything like that, they have these little boxes set up with the perfect amount of lights, different color backgrounds, so you can set your product in, put your camera through it, and review right through it. Really cool setup. I'll probably be checking one out shortly. Go check those guys out. Hit that subscribe button if you guys aren't already subscribed. I drop technology videos, smartphone reviews, tech news, lighting and stuff like that. I'm going to be getting into more camera hardware and stuff to go along with this studio lighting. So stay tuned for all that and more. I'll catch you guys later. Peace.